In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a template in Constant Contact. If you've put the time and effort into crafting an email campaign from scratch and you've already saved that specific campaign, it's a great idea to save it as a template for future use. This way, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring that your meticulously designed emails can be repurposed whenever you need them. Let's go through the steps to do just that. First, you'll want to navigate to the marketing section of your Constant Contact account. Here, you'll find a list of all your campaigns under the All Campaigns tab. Take a moment to find the email campaign you recently created. This should be the campaign that you want to turn into a reusable template. Once you've located your campaign, you need to look to the far right side of your screen. Here, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is an options menu, a common feature across many platforms for accessing more tools and functionalities related to a particular item. Click on these 3 dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu provides you with different actions you can take related to your email campaign. One of these options is Save as Template. Click on that, and just like that, you've saved your campaign as a template. This new template can now be accessed and reused anytime you want to design future campaigns with a similar layout and style. Creating a template from an email campaign is not only a time saver, but it also allows for consistency in your branding and messaging. Once saved, the template is editable, meaning you can fine-tune it to fit new content while maintaining the core design elements you've worked hard to establish. This feature proves particularly beneficial if you have a recurring newsletter or a series of promotional emails that follow the same style. Moreover, whenever you're ready to launch a new campaign using this template, you'll have a reliable foundation that reflects your brand's look and feel. It allows you to focus more on the content rather than the design process, making it an efficient way to manage ongoing communications with your audience. There it is, a straightforward way to save your campaigns as templates in Constant Contact. With just a few clicks, you ensure that your design efforts remain accessible and useful in the future. So next time you're crafting an email layout that fits your needs perfectly, consider saving it as a template. You'll thank yourself the next time you're starting a new campaign. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.